Microlocs-Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun! And you already know I'm back with another video. Okay, so lately I have been doing negative videos. I don't know, maybe I just am opening up a little bit more, but I feel like it's not negative, but it's also positive, but you learn from it. But so yeah, so this is what this video is about. So it's not really about that, but it is, but it isn't. But before I go ahead and get started, you already know I gotta say what's up to my OGs. How y'all doing? You good, boo? You good? All right, and if you have not subscribed, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and click that bell button to get notifications whenever I post. Other than that, let's get started with this video. So I was basically doing some hardcore soul searching in my cabeza, and I can say there's only 3 regrets that I do have about my Microlocs. Other than that, everything is perfect. But I just want to say here is I love my hair, okay? Can't nobody tell me my hair ain't pretty. Can't nobody tell me that I don't look good with my hair. Okay, I love my hair. It's just the fact that, you know, there's little things that you could change that you wish you knew, but you didn't think that your hair would do what it would do now. So, you know, I love my hair, okay? So don't come for me thinking that I don't like my hair. While I am basically telling you my regrets, I am taking down these twists. Okay, so this is not all my hair. There's extensions added to it. I did not do a video. Everybody's been saying, or everybody's been thinking that this is my hair. This is not all my hair. There's extensions in some of them. I will show you. Listen, look, see? This is where my hair stops at, and this is the extensions. It's Marley hair, guys. It's Marley hair. I just added towards the end of my Microlocs. So see how like it's added there? All right, see? It's not my hair. It's just, you know, I just wanted to do a little song with an asymmetrical bob. You know, I wanted to shimmy cocoa puff. But now it's time for me to take it out because I look like who did it and why's auntie and who's been playing in your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and go ahead and tell you my regrets about it. One of my regrets is coloring my hair. I kind of wish I waited to color my hair just a little bit. I just think that I got kind of antsy pants on coloring my hair because, like, you know, there's nothing like original natural hair, like with not colored. I don't know how to explain it, but if you know, you know. There's nothing like that rich natural glow or that rich natural sheen. I can always color my hair back to being black, but it'll never be like my roots, which are organic, not touched, not like, you know, colored or anything like that. So like that's one of the things. Don't get me wrong, I do like this color, okay? Like this color, it was an accident. It just happened. It was one color, then it became another color, and then the ombre effect that I have with it, it's cool. It's cool. I like this color. But if I was to tell myself, hey girl, just wait a little bit, just wait a little bit, you feel me? I would have waited a little bit more. Also, I feel like when you color your hair, you already know you're damaging it. There's no like reverse to it. How can I say? There's no reversing. Like, even if you moisturize your hair, keep your hair in the healthiest state or whatever, yeah, your hair is healthy, but it's never going to be 100% like your natural hair. Never going to be 100% like your natural hair. I'm sorry. It might feel as if so, but nah. Them cuticles is already colored, honey. Another regret that I have, not making them a little bigger. I feel like they're a little too small. Then again, I feel like it's perfect. But then again, I feel like they're a little too small because it takes me a while to do my retie. I self-retighten, so it takes me about a week. Sometimes I skip a week after I've done the back row and the back row's already growing out, and then I once I get to the top, I have to go ahead and start the retightening again in the back, because it took me a while to go back to getting my hair retied. So yeah, I felt like I should have done them a little bigger. Not too long ago, I have been combining some of my locks, and I have to do a recount. I can say that I keep saying we're going to do this recount video, y'all. I really don't want to do this recount, but I know I have to, because I'm curious my damn self, figuring out how many. I want to know how many locks I have too. It's just the fact that I'm just too lazy to do that right now. I am really just too lazy to do that right now. So yeah, I'll do the lock count video. Give this video a thumbs up if you really want to know how many locks I have. If this video has at least 200 likes, I will do a recount video. Not to sound cliche, I wish I started these a little earlier. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, I'm looking at these veterans out here with like 7+ years. I'm like, damn, my hair could get like that in 7 years though. But then again, I'm like, damn, I don't want it to get like that in 7 years though. Because it's like, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. Oh my gosh. Black is beautiful, but at the same time, damn. I'm gonna give a backstory of one of my friends, Kay. I remember I had my traditional locks, and we were on the phone, and she was saying how she wanted to get sister locks. And she was like, yeah, you know, because of my texture of my hair, I feel like I would have the best volume with those size locks. And I was like, girl, those things are too small. Like, what do you mean? Them is real small. I don't even know. I don't know if you should get them. Fast forward, look at me now. Look at me now. DIY Microlocs. Never say never. I want to start a conversation down below of the regrets that you have. Like, what are some of the regrets that you have? Like, even though you know it's nothing major and you could fix it, but you don't want to, or you can't really fix it because it's something that's happened in the past, like trying to get it sooner. Should have got it sooner, you feel me? Like, I can't really change that, but like the size of my locks I can actually change. I really can. And the color of my locks, I can actually change it, but at the same time, we already know it's not gonna be like virgin hair. Come on now, we know that. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to click that like button, because you know you want to see me struggle counting all this goddamn locks that I put in my head. That is beautiful. Yes, I love my hair. I love my shaving. But you know, go ahead and give that button a click. And also, don't forget to turn on your bell notification, because you have already subscribed, of course, so that you can get alerts whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys on the flip side, okay? Bye!